Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 7th General Knowledge part 17. So let's start this video. Everyday science. Can you name the following useful gases? Question number first. Used to control mob, policemen often use it. It is called, means it is used to control mob. Policemen often use, it is called acetylene. The name of the gas, acetylene. Second, used in photographic flash lamp for high speed photography. It is quite costly. Means it is used to photographic flash lamp for high speed photography. It is quite costly. The name of gas is helium. Gas is helium. Third, used in airship and hot air balloon. Used in airship and hot air balloon. The name of this gas, neon. Question number fourth. Used for welding and cutting. Used for welding and cutting. Butane. Butane. Used for welding and cutting. Butane. Question number fifth. Called color gas. It is bottled and sold for cooking. Called color gas. It is bottled and sold for cooking. The name of this gas, krypton. Krypton. 6. Used as a oxidizer in rocket engine. It is also used as food additive. Means this gas is used an oxidizer in rocket engine. It also used for food additive. The name of this gas, methane. Methane gas. Question number 7. It is called green gas. It is used for fuel in cookings and use propellant for aerosol spray. The name of this gas, CS gas. CS gas. Question number 8. Used in neon flash lamp. Used in neon flash lamp. The name of this gas, nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide. Question number 9. Used as a mild anesthetics in dentistry and in minor surgical procedure. It is also called laughing gas. Radon. Question number 10. It is the main constituent of natural gas. It is used in heating systems and in hot water heater. In hot water heater use ether. Ether. Question number 11. Used in water research for finding groundwater level. Used in water research for finding groundwater level. The name of this gas, propane. Propane. Question number 12. Used as lights for illuminated sign. Used as light for illuminated signs. The name of this gas, neon. Brain numbers game. Question number first. What should come in place of question mark in the series? Series 2, 3, 6, 108, 1944. This. Option A 9, option B 12, option C 18, option D 32. Correct option 18. Because 2 3 ja 6 and 6 18 ja 108. So here in question marks 18. Second question, 15, 75, 300, 1500, 6000, 30,000. The correct option is 12,000, 6,000, 9,000, 10,000. Correct option A 12,000. Because here 15 5 ja 75, 75 into 300, 5 times, फिर 5 times and 5 times, so 3 and 4 times is 5 4 5 4, so combination of 5 4, so 4 12,000. Next one is 66 divided by 6 divided by 3. The correct option A 37, B 333, C 111, D 84. The correct option A 37. When you divide this one, then you find 31. Complete the square. Here 17, 15, 8, 99, 95, 90, 64, 36, 45. What here? Question mark. When you are add in a column wise, 152 and this one add 155, and it means 3 difference. So this one 158. You add both two and subtract 180, 58. You find 86. Here you feel 86. Next one is food preservation. Food is spoiled by growth of microorganisms on it. To kill the microbes and stop them from growing again is called the food preservation. The food lasts a long time without being spoiled. Means food is spoiled by growth of microorganisms on it. To kill the microbes and stop them from growing again is called the food preservation. The food lasts a long time without being spoiled. Some common method for food preservations are given below. Read the descriptions and name the process. Question number first. Dash at the high temperature. It is the partial sterilizations of milk by boiling it above 135 degrees centigrade. The milk is then kept in Tetra Pak for more than 5 to 6 months. You feel heating at high temperature. Second, dash heating the milk to about 70 degree of half minute and then cooling it quickly. This kills most of the bacteria without affecting the flavor. Means dash heating of the milk about 70 degree for half minute and then cooling the quickly. This kills most of the bacteria without affecting the flavor. This is called the pasteurization. This process is called the pasteurization. Question number 3. Dash food stops the growth of microbes and their reproductions. This helps to preserve food. For this, food is kept in fridge at 5 degrees centigrade temperature. This process name is cooling. Question number 4. Chemical dash such as sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite help control microbiological growth. It is used to preserve jams, squash and ketchup, etc. Means chemical name is called, this method is called the preservatives such as sodium benzoates and sodium metabisulfite help to control microbiological growth. It is used to preserve jams, squash and ketchup. Fifth, vinegar and oil provide an environment where bacteria cannot grow. Oil and vinegar provide an environment where bacteria cannot grow. Question number 6. Dash check growth of bacteria by forcing microorganisms to lose water by a process called osmosis. This is used for sprinkle fish, etc. The name of this process salt. Salt check growth of bacteria. Question number 7. Dash remove water from it and grow for microbes is stop. Drying remove water from it and growth of microbes is stop. Next, canning. Sterilized food is canned in dash container. It is very common method in use. Airtight, like chips, kurkure, use airtight method container. It very common method in use. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, call my personal number. Everyone write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.